Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add audio from your library on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and now from here what we're gonna do to add audio is we simply need to go here into the audio tab. So you have this option. You can just select your free music right here that you can use, no copyright, TikTok, and so on. You can go through the panes right here. So for example, you want to go click here on music, so make sure you're in the audio tab, and you can just choose it right here, and you can just drag this into your timeline just like that, and now you have your audio with you. But if you don't want this and you have your own and you want to import it into your CapCut, is you simply need to import it like you have imported your video. So how do you do it? You simply need to go and drag that file into your CapCut just like this one, and as you can see, we now have our audio right here. So those are your two options on how you can get audio from your own library in CapCut. So yeah. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.